Hello friends, Laura here at Hello Cute Crafts, and I am so excited to share with you I got a new juicer today. And first off, we're going to unbox this, but look at the beautiful packaging of this box. I may just figure out how to frame this and put it on my wall. So today we're going to unbox it, so let's get to it, friends. Okay, so it says open here, so let's do that. And it's a larger box than I expected, so we shall see. Okay, open here. Okay. Okay, friends, so this is the Nama J2 cold press juicer. And first off, the packaging is absolutely adorable and everything looks to be organized. So for those who are unaware, I have used a standard juicer for many years, and most recently since my cancer diagnosis, I've been using the juicer twice a day and it was starting to wear out. So I decided that I was ready for the cold press. It is a higher quality machine, one of the best you can get from my research. So I'm going to put this together and see what it looks like. Okay, first off, very nicely packed, and everything looks to be really sturdy and in good quality. So I'm gonna put it together and we'll see how it looks, friends. It also came with a cleaning brush, which you would use for cleaning the strainer. And it did come with an extra, I'm calling it a strainer. I'm not sure what it's called right now, but this is what cuts and makes the pulp. So it cuts the fruit and makes the pulp. But it looks like it's a different size. This one has a different blade than the one that's inside. So it looks like you do have options. Maybe for hardier fruits or vegetables, you would probably use this one. This one seems to be finer. And then it comes with a lid for the pulp container. So I think they thought of everything, friends. And then lastly, they gave us materials. So this is how you're going to layer it inside the machine. They have the cutest marketing. I mean, besides the box, look at this little quick start guide. Super cute. So I'm gonna do all of my reading tonight and go over it before I start using it. Lots of manuals here to go through. Oh my gosh, look at this recipe book, so cute. I am currently, so far, quite impressed with the quality and everything that is provided. And here it is all set up. Look how cute it is, friends. It is super, super easy to set up. There's only like 4 parts to it. So this is the container that you're going to put your fruits and vegetables in. And then it comes in down here. There's a strainer inside here, and your juice will sit in here until you're ready. You just open up the spout and it goes into this glass plastic. It's not glass, friends. I thought it was going to be glass, but it's a plastic container, easy to clean. And then the pulp will come out here into this container here. It looks like it's going to be much easier to clean than my traditional juicer that I've had for years. Also, easy peasy button, just on, off, and reverse. I like that. Super good, super cute, friends. And there you have it. This is the unboxing of the Nama J2 cold press juicer. I'm gonna go ahead and clean everything up, wash everything before I start juicing, and then I will share another video with how it works. But if you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to ask in the comments or message me. I'm happy to help. I will also provide a link if you are interested in the juicer and living your best healthy life too. Feel free to do so. Thanks again, and take care, friends.